KL Central was open. And just opposite the railway station is KTM, Malayan Railway headquarters, which was completed in 1917. The landmarks were notable for its architecture, a unique Anglo-Asian architecture, adopting a mixture of Eastern and Western designs. Now these colonial era landmark which remains open for commuter train as we are heading to stop number 10. Little India. Here sell everything from traditional Indian goods to spices where vendors blasting Bollywood music along the bustling road, with flower garlands hanging from racks and colorful stacked saris make for a spectacular photo shot. Here in Little India is popular for its affordable eateries, local or Indian delicacies, and not to miss out, restaurants serving banana leaf lunches. Many of the businesses here operate late into the night and some even run round the clock. We have arrived at stop number 10. Little India. Integrated within a live, work, and play environment. We have arrived at stop number 11. KL Central. are now heading to stop number 17. Independence Square. Merdeka means independence, and thus this spot in Kuala Lumpur occupied a very significant place in Malaysian history. A 100-meter-high flagpole marks the spot where the Malayan flag was hoisted in August 31st, 1957, signifying the independence of the country from British rule. At the peak of its popularity in colonial times, it was a central gathering point for the British and also a cricket green. Merdeka Square is surrounded by historic colonial buildings such as Sultan Abdul Samad Building, the Royal Selangor Club, National History Museum and Textile Museum. Today Merdeka Square is the venue for Independence Day celebrations and parade, and also a popular venue for various other events such as open-air concerts, carnivals, and marathons. We are heading to stop number 18. Medan Mara. The blue color building housing Mara developmental body is worth to look. Pay attention to the motif in the wall of Medan Mara clad in arranged tiles. It features colorfully an attractive local batik motif on its side wall. On your right, there's few shopping places around. There's also a digital mall for you to enjoy all IT related stuff. Arrived at stop number 18. Medan Mara. We are heading to stop number 19. PWTC. Here along stop 19, quite a number hotels both big and small, including budget hotels within old shop houses where a bit for the night can be very affordable. These budget hotels especially popular with backpackers who would like to taste and experience live in the business city. Here at stop number 19, You can access the famous Kampung Baru via Crows the Street and keep looking Jalan Raja Amang. We have arrived at stop number 19. PWTC. Shopping mall built in Kuala Lumpur and surprisingly it's still operated. It's called Ampang Park Mall. We have arrived at stop number 22. Citibank Tower and Ampang Park Mall. We have arrived at stop 23. We have arrived at stop number 22. Citibank Tower and Ampang Park Mall. Way to the early 1900s. Some of the old mansions that were built by the tin tycoons at the turn of the century are still here, having gone through changes. These mansions include today the Pakistani High Commission and Malaysia Tourism Center. Along this road, Jalan Empang, there are also several luxurious hotels, Hotel Maya, the Renaissance, and New World Hotel and others, plus club and restaurants and even a Malaysian Chinese school. Sadly enough, some of the old heritage buildings have been demolished to make way for modern development. The Palladian Villa, High Commission of Pakistan. The Palladian Villa style is one of the most attractive architectural styles in those days, which is popular in England in the 1700s. This style, as can be seen here in the Pakistani High Commission, was actually based on certain regulations, established by Andrea Palladio, who was one of the famous architects during the Italian Renaissance. The Palladian style was quite common in England as well as part of Europe. Reflects the city humble river Rhine beginning. In the 1850, the Malay chieftain of the Castle of Port Klang and member of the Selangor royal family Raja Abdullah, sent a group of 87 Chinese miners together with these officials, to prospect the tin in the upper Klang Valley of Selangor state. At that time, tin was in huge demand with the full swing of the Industrial Revolution in Europe and America, which is needed durable, lightweight, rust-resistant metal to help fuel the industrial expansion. These miners made a settlement camp where Klang and Gombak River flow quietly together, forming a muddy but tin-rich delta. More tin was found in the surrounding areas, and the camp immediately became a settlement which quickly grew into a town and expanded rapidly to become a thriving city. This modern but multicultural metropolis is now simply called KL. The muddy confluence is still there in the middle of the city at the location of the Jamek Mosque, which our route shall pass by. Telekom Museum. Standing pretty among Kuala Lumpur skyscraper at the junction of Jalan Raja Chulan and Jalan Garage is a unique two-story building with a neo-classical Greek facade. Dating 1928, this is Telekom Museum. The building itself was used as the telephone exchange in the early day.
Dito kami sa taas.